Hello, my name is Andreina Rojas, and today I'm going to be talking about BreazeHome 4.0 favorites and boards features, in particular to the shortcomings and wishlist. So, the first thing that I want to talk about is this star icon. So the way that it is saved in the website is that it basically runs a command let me actually do a developer tools. Okay, so actually there's somebody else doing it. Okay, so this function that says is saved is mine, and it's like super inefficient. It calls it a million times, but the reason for this was that I added the star icon being updated every time that the user used it, even after the user left at the end of the project. So I didn't really have time to make it more efficient, but there's definitely a way to do it. Kind of the skeleton is already set up, and anybody that wants to tackle that can do it and make it more efficient. And then the second thing that I want to talk about here is okay, so when you click on the boards page actually and you go to create a board and the modal comes up, the main issue with it is that if the user were to select the properties before saving the name, then you wouldn't actually save the properties into the board. And what I would do is basically hide the properties, have basically in this modal hide the properties, and then after the user enters the name, save name, is when the properties would come up, and then that's when the user would click on them. So I actually had thought about implementing it, but I just didn't have time. So those are really the two things that had I had time, I would have definitely wanted to do. And then maybe another thing would be making sure that everything is as efficient as possible. But I think other than those two things, everything else is pretty much done. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me at arojas108 at FIU.edu or Dr. Masoud Sadjadi at scis.fiu.edu. Thank you for listening to my videos, and I hope that they were helpful.